Apparently, today I'm going to Japan. How was staying up all night?
About this.
Oh god.
I died.
So we're gonna fly to Amsterdam and then we're changing at Schiphol Airport to our flight to Japan. The flight to Japan's gonna be like 11 hours. We have to do some double vlogging here. I'm really proud, Dinef.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great, Dinef. I'm really happy with this thing that we're doing right now. I've got a little tiny suitcase and a rucksack.
Okay, you're going to be overweight there. I'll check this one in 3, okay?
Yeah, you can check that.
I'll check this in 3.
Oh my god, gosh.
Okay?
So I was overweight in my hand luggage and in my normal luggage, but they checked it all, so I'm fine.
Must be contained separate.
They took my entire bag apart. They unpacked all of my gear. Absolute nightmare. Oh, this is fucking sick. I don't think I've ever walked on a runway before.
Crew, I would like to welcome you aboard on this KLM flight to Amsterdam. Flight time to Amsterdam will be 55 minutes.
And we're in Amsterdam. Thanks.
Bye, you're welcome. Bye-bye.
That was the shortest plane journey I've ever been on. 55 minutes. How was that, Aiden?
Huh? It was so short.
I know, right?
You have like bags you can't go to like talk about.
Big fan of travelators, but I would rather be skating down here. It's really, really lazy.
Yeah,
That's the entire point.
Massively lazy, but it's for you.
We're in this little cafe place. They've got loads of smoothies. I'm really excited. Dinef is double vlogging with me here. This is going to happen a lot.
Touch lenses. Touch vlogs.
That lens is so big. Look at that element. It's huge.
Touch vlogs. Touch vlogs.
This camera is just so pathetic compared to that one.
Touch vlogs.
Touch vlogs. That's touch vlogs.
Subscribe.
We are just about to board the plane.
Okay, we're going onto the plane and it's big and I'm going to sit down and I'm going to fall asleep for 10 hours.
We are on the Sky Bridge. I'm really excited for this. There's a Lamborghini on the tarmac. We are the green tea crew, we've all had green tea. I'm really proud. I got a couple of hours of editing in. I'm gonna go to bed. Thanks for watching this video, and I guess I will just see you in Tokyo.
Your friends tried to warn you about me, even your mama, but you said you deal with the consequence even if it was karma. But how can I complain when you give me insane praying like you graduated with honors? You probably hate that I'm honest, but fuck it, I'm going all out.